Recording in progress.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, trailblazers, ambassadors, Ananta X. Today is a very exciting day. I got the final board go-ahead that on the 25th we will be launching the new, let's call it the new version of Ananta X, which is going to change everything. But tonight I want to talk about positioning. Because for the next 2 weeks, it is going to be a little bit different. And that's why I believe Ananta X is totally different than anything else. Why is this launch different? Because what we have coming is unparalleled. There is nothing like this. There's never been anything like this. So the next 2 weeks is going to be about positioning, not selling, if I can put it that way. So right now, obviously, I try and put everything I say on the slides. So it is then an absolute trainable format. So right now we are not waiting, we are positioning, because when this launches, listen carefully, the people who prepared will win. So timing beats talent. Most people see opportunity too late, and right now is our unfair advantage window. What we do in the next 2 weeks, and then after that in the next 4 months, will change the whole course of your life. So tonight, your job tonight is to write down 30 names. Not perfect names, just names, because momentum starts here. So the shift, most people think they have an income problem, and that's not the truth. They don't. They have a system problem, because effort without a system is frustration. I've said it so many times. Sorry. There's all these books and CDs and DVDs and seminars and channels of people getting you motivated, charged up, excited, and you're ready to go, but you've got nowhere to go. You don't have a plan. And that's what we are fixing. So a system creates duplication, and Ananta X is the system. We are not hustling. People that hustle needs to keep on hustling forever. People that use a system can get to a stage where I believe it can create walk-away freedom. But tonight, we're going to start 10 conversations. No explaining, just curiosity. So we are going to invite without selling. Here's a pre-launch script, and I want you to do this exactly. I'm going to copy and paste this to all the groups. So those 30 names, at least 10 of them, you're going to send this message. I'm working on something launching soon. It's going to change how people save and build income and start accumulating gold. I thought of you. When it opens, I'll show you first. That's it. That's what you're going to send. Now, curiosity is more powerful than explanation. We're not going to sell, oversell, and we're going to keep our posture strong. So you're going to send this message to 10 people tonight. Just that. So if I get a message like that from my friend, I'm going to be like, what is this? He's talking about gold and save, and when it opens, I'll be first. When is it going to open? Don't worry. We're going to get to that now. So our job is to build our pipeline. Your income is already determined by the people we are going to speak to now in the next 2 weeks. A pipeline gives you a future income. No pipeline, no launch success. What do I mean by launch success? When we launch, I will be free. When we launch, I will have at least my 4 personals. It's not it's not debatable, it's not negotiable, it is a fact. When we launch on the 25th, I will have my 4 people done, finished, clock. And that's what we're going to aim for. So 30 people in your pipeline by tomorrow. So tonight, you're going to make a list. Most of you should already have your names list. And we're going to send that message to 10 people tonight and the other 20 tomorrow. We need to have a sense of urgency. Some people will watch the launch and others are going to win from it. We are going to use this. We call it early positioning advantage. We are in a position that we know what's coming. It's not somebody that's brand new. They're still thinking of this. No. We know exactly what's coming. And first movers always win. What do I mean by win? We win quicker and faster. For those that's going to get ready in the next 2 weeks, when we kick off, we're going to kick off with a covered membership. We are going to kick off, and it's just going to be that. So for those people that knows this and is not kind of positioning themselves, they are going to only start at the launch. And we are already building from there. So ask your list, do you want me to send you info first when it opens? So tonight, we're going to send this message. I'm working on something, launching soon. That's going to change how people say, la, 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 that whole thing. Then the following day, you're going to send, whoops, daisy. You are going to send that message. Do you want me to send you the info first when it opens? So by tomorrow, I'll have sent it to 30 people. So 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. Now, obviously, I'm going to send this to all 30. And out of that, 5, 10, 20 is going to respond back and say, oh, yeah, absolutely. Then we have them where we want them. Believe. We don't need to convince anybody, but we need to be convinced, because belief creates posture. Posture creates attraction. And that's why we need to share our why. Why are we excited? Not details. So somebody's going to say, yeah, look, what is this? I'm going to say, this is something that is absolutely going to change me, myself, my family's life forever. What is it? It is something that's going to change my life forever. No, but come on, tell me what it is. And then I'm going to respond back into the 5-step system. Anyway, we'll get to that now. Duplication, it is not complicated. If it's complicated, it don't grow. It won't grow. It cannot grow. System wins every single time. Our 5-step system, I believe, is probably the most powerful program out there. Each person what you learned today. So we're going to get into the other stuff now. So here's the leadership instruction. You've got 3 jobs today. You're going to make your names, 30 names, and then you're going to send it to at least 10 today and the other 20 tomorrow. And then we're going to follow up twice. And how do we do that? We're going to get people into the system. What system? The 5-step system. No excuses, because today starts your next level. Now it says 90. I'm going to change it to 120. I'll tell you what that's all about. What will happen if we do this right? We will have massive sign-ups in day 1. When we launch, we're going to have 4, 5, 10, 20 personals ready to go. We're going to get leaders activated, and we're going to get teams moving fast and that's going to create momentum. And eventually the momentum is going to carry itself. So here's the truth. This is our window. The next 2 weeks, not the week after that, the next month, right now. So here's a pipeline, a WhatsApp pipeline script. So what is a pipeline? We are now going to create excitement out there of people that's saying, what is this thing? Here's the first one. So I would send this to, so this is excluding the 30, because all of us have at least 30 people that's close to us. Okay, this is excluding. So I would say this is kind of the warm market? Here's a quick one. If something launched that could help you save money and build an extra income and start accumulating gold, would you be open to seeing it? Second one, I'm getting positioned early for something launching soon. I'm not sending any links yet, but it's big. Want me to show you when it opens? And here's the follow-up. Just checking in. I've got you on my list for when this launches. You'll be one of the first I send it to. So I'll put everything in a nice format so we can follow it. So here is the launch day conversation scripts. When the links, it's live. This is what I told you about. Here's your link. Let's get you positioned first. That's it. I'm going to send this to everybody. Those that respond is in, and we're going to go. Here's a follow-up. Did you get a chance to look? I can guide you step by step. It takes 5 minutes. It's a leadership challenge. Post inside groups, your own groups. Here's what I want to say. If you see yourself as a leader, a trailblazer, so I'm going to build a front line. And I'm going to create a group with only my frontline people. And they are going to get their frontline people, and they're going to create a group with only their frontline people. So I'm going to send this out. Who's got 20 people on their list? Drop a thumbs up or a little brandviertjie if you started conversations today. This is in the next 2 weeks. Who is ready for day one domination? Think about that. Final leader's message. This is something you need to repeat right now. We are not building the business. We are building momentum. And when momentum arrives, we move. This is our role every day. One voice note, one post, one more X. What is an X? That's a follow-up, a reach out, a whatever, a video, something. Just do another X. This is stuff that we have to do every day. And then our control. This is what we bring as energy, direction, and urgency. So I'll post this stuff every day that I feel need to go out. I'll put now, obviously, we'll have a discussion if I should only put it on the Trailblazer group or on the other group as well. We'll see. So here's the results if we do this correctly. By launch day, there'll be no convincing, no chasing, no explaining, only link, ready, go. Positioning, the mindset. Keep in mind why timing beats talent. If you look in history, all the big industry leaders were built on trends. Most people, successful kind of people in certain industries, they are not, they're not the best looking, they're not the cleverest, they're not whatever, but the timing was right. And that's what we have. Why most people miss big opportunities? Because they are just too scared to go. They are just too scared to take a leap of faith. Now, what are we taking a leap of faith in? That's the question. We are taking a leap of faith in accumulating gold. We have grocery coupons. We've got Called a Teacher. We've got private ambulance service. We've got the Learning Legacy program. We've got all of that. So what leap am I taking? I am not. I'm simply positioning myself and my family and my future better. The cost of waiting. Let's say we wait. Let's say I'm going to sit here and say, you know what, I'm not going to start going now. I'm going to wait until the launch. And then the launch is there and there's stuff happening and stuff people are, registering. And I say, you know what, I'm just going to wait maybe 2 weeks, just to see what happens. And 2 weeks becomes 2 months and 2 years and 20 years and your life is gone. What is the cost? The next 2 weeks can set you up for something amazing. Momentum versus hesitation. There's the thing. Why are people not moving? Why are people hesitant? It still breaks my brain. Here's the thing. You get pain and you get pleasure. Most people will rather suffer pain than do something to enjoy some pleasure. That is just unfortunately the way it is. And that is how people were conditioned, mind controlled, mindset built by whoever. That's how people think, and that's what we are going to break. Yes, the rule, one a day. On average, reach out to one person a day. If you and your team does that, you will be a millionaire in 2 years. Guaranteed. I can show you the figures. I've done it so many times. Anyway, momentum versus hesitation. So this is what we do. Why this launch is different, I kind of touched on that because we know what's coming. It is not something that's going to sell some product similar to. It's not something that is almost like that. There's no risk. There is just benefit upon benefit upon benefit upon benefit upon benefit. That's why it's different, because we have what every single person wants: a risk-free, dominating platform that can and will change everything. That's what we have. So yes, the goal is to build emotional urgency. If I was you, I would just quickly tonight, if you get some time, maybe tomorrow morning, just kind of get a couple of dreams up where you can see them every single moment of the day. Have one dream with you, a picture, a photo, printed, cut it out of a magazine. Emotional urgency. We have to build that. Just the mastery, the 5 steps. Train them without links. How am I going to do that? We're going to do the invitation. We're going to do how to start curiosity without explanation. That's one of the messages that we can send. We can build interest without a link. That's one of the messages. And we can do a pre-close language. And that's also one of the messages. I'll send it to you. And then obviously launch day conversations. I'm going to get to that now. Here's a critical shift. We don't send links. We don't have links to send. Fricky, how am I going to build something, prepare for something if I don't have a link? We're going to build lists and we're going to build interest. That's what we're doing for the next 2 weeks. Here's a critical shift. Do you want cold leads? The answer is no, I don't. I don't want cold leads. So instead, we are not pitching anything. We are simply positioning. If I've got 30 people on my list and I'm going to tell all 30, hey, something big's coming, I'm positioning myself. Here's the exact language. For Trailblazers, instead of explaining, we say something is launching soon that's going to change how people save and earn and build long-term wealth with auto gold accumulation. I'm getting positioned early. When it opens, I'll show you first. That's it. No details, no explaining, no pressure. What does this do? It creates curiosity. Because the person on the other side is going to read that and thinking, what is this now? Now that sentence, it's going to say save, it's going to say earn, it's going to say wealth, and it's going to say gold accumulation. Trust me, they are going to be very curious. It's going to keep leads warm. It is going to build anticipation, and it's going to protect your credibility. It is also going to build pipelines. So that's what we're doing now. So the launch day effect, instead of who wants to join, I'm going to get just send me the link. So that's next week, Saturday, the 25th. So here's what my idea is. So 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to send a voice note that you can forward to anybody. It's going to say, today's the day, no more waiting, no more preparation. We move Stay close, stay ready. Let's make it count. This we post everywhere. 8 o'clock. Some is going to be in a voice note form. Now I'm going to talk this fast, and some is going to be messages. Today we don't talk, we execute. Message your entire list. It's live. I'm sending you access now. 9 o'clock. Moment must feel big. Here's the message. It's live. This is what I told you about. Here's the access, the Zoom link. Let me help you get started. 10 o'clock, follow up round 1. Did you see the link I sent? Let's get you positioned early. 12 o'clock, midday post. People are already moving. The question is, are you? 3 o'clock, follow up round 2. Just checking in. I don't want you to miss early positioning. So we send this to everybody. The baseline is 30. I wouldn't do it for less than 30 people. If you want to go more, better for you. 6 o'clock, social proof start. We're going to post first sign up. Send a screenshot. Testimonial. We'll do them. 8 o'clock on Saturday night, Saturday evening, the 25th, we will have the launch Zoom. The structure is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do it open, what just launched, the timing, quick walkthrough. And 10 o'clock, I'm going to send this to everybody that didn't respond. Day 1 is closing. Some people moved, some people watched. Tomorrow, the gap starts. Then day 2 to day 7. Day 2, we're going to build momentum. Yesterday was just the beginning. Today, we build. We're going to do follow-ups, help new members on board, and push for duplication. What is duplication? We'll get to that maybe on Thursday. Day 3, we're going to post. Another member started. More people positioning. This is going to create FOMO, fear of missing out. This we send to the people that didn't respond. Day 4, we're going to say, now we're working with the people that are there. We're going to train them how to invite, how to duplicate, how to use the system. So day 5, a little bit pressure. This is moving faster than expected. That's all we send. Those people must be crying by now. Day 6, expansion. We're going to push leaders, set up teams to grow. Day 7, consolidation. Recognize the top performance, show the numbers, reinforce the vision. So I'm going to quickly run you through the layout. It's not completed yet of the launch Zoom at 8 o'clock. New era. We're going to do a little quick welcome, opening to everybody. Going to talk about the shift, why timing matters, and then I'm going to do a short close. And if you're ready, get back to the person. Okay, and then after the Zoom, we're going to send this. What you saw tonight is live. If you're ready, I'll help you get started right now. Let's get you positioned. So short and sweet. That is what we're going to do. I'll put it in a sequence for everybody. And I'll send this out. Let me just stop this recording. Ooh, I almost pressed the wrong button again. Hold on. Let's stop that one and stop.